Hello, everyone. Welcome back to MS English Planet, where learning English becomes simple, fun, and real.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jack, and I'm super excited today because we're going somewhere interesting.
Exactly. Today's topic is at the railway station. We'll learn how to speak English naturally when you're at a station, buying tickets, asking for directions, and catching your train on time.
Oh, that sounds great. I always get nervous when I travel alone. I never know what to say at the ticket counter.
Don't worry, Jack. By the end of this class, you'll speak like a pro traveler.
Let's hope I don't miss my train while learning.
You won't. So, everyone watching, get ready to learn real life English conversations you can actually use. Grab your notebooks and let's go to the railway station together.
All aboard.
Let's begin our English journey. Scene 1. Buying a ticket. All right, Jack. Imagine you're at the ticket counter. You need to buy a ticket to another city. Here's how a real conversation sounds. Listen carefully first, then we'll practice. Good morning. Where would you like to go?
Good morning. I'd like a ticket to Kolkata, please.
Sure. One way or return?
Return, please.
Okay. What class would you like? Sleeper, AC, or general?
Sleeper class, please.
Here's your ticket. That'll be 350 rupees.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice journey. Now, Jack, let's break this down. When you're buying a ticket, always start with a polite greeting, like good morning or hello. Then say clearly, I'd like a ticket to place name, please.
So if I'm going to Delhi, I'll say, I'd like a ticket to Delhi, please.
Perfect. And if you're not coming back the same day, you can say, return ticket, please.
Here you go. 350 rupees.
Don't forget to actually pay the clerk, Jack.
I'll try not to run away with the ticket.
Good idea. Okay, everyone watching, repeat after me. I'd like a ticket to Kolkata, please.
I'd like a ticket to Kolkata, please.
Excellent. Now, let's move to the next part, asking for the platform number. Imagine you got your ticket, but you don't know which platform your train leaves from. Here's how you ask politely.
Excuse me. Where is platform number 3?
It's over there, on your right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See? Simple and polite. Use these phrases. Excuse me, could you please tell me where platform number 3 is? Which platform does the train to Delhi leave from?
Sophia, what if I don't understand their answer? Sometimes they talk too fast.
Good question. You can say, sorry, could you please repeat that? Or, I didn't catch that. Can you say it again?
Oh, that's useful. I'll use it next time someone talks faster than my brain.
That happens to everyone, Jack. When the train is late. Now let's talk about a very common situation when the train is delayed.
Oh no, not again.
Yes, sometimes trains run late. Let's see how to talk about it.
Excuse me, is the train to Delhi on time?
No, sir, it's running 30 minutes late.
Oh, I see. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Please wait in the waiting area. Now, Jack, repeat after me. Is the train to Delhi on time?
Is the train to Delhi on time?
Perfect. You can also ask, what time will the train arrive? Has the train been delayed?
And if I'm tired of waiting, can I say, I've been waiting forever?
Yes, that's perfect for expressing frustration in a polite way.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, please, have a seat.
Thank you. Are you also going to Delhi?
Yes, I am. The train is late again.
Oh yes, Indian Railways never disappoints when it comes to delays.
That's so true. Anyway, where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. And you?
I'm from Kolkata. I often travel for work.
That's nice. I'm traveling to visit my cousin. He's just started college there.
Oh, that's great. Always good to travel and meet family.
Absolutely.
All right, everyone. When you meet someone at a station or in the train, use polite questions like, is this seat token? Are you traveling to city name? Where are you from? Remember, don't be too personal. Keep it friendly and short.
So I shouldn't say, what's your phone number right away, right?
Definitely not Jack. That's too fast.
Okay, got it. Step 1, talk about the train. Step 2, don't ask personal questions.
Exactly. Scene 5. Buying snacks at the platform.
Sophia, I'm feeling hungry. Can I buy something?
Of course, let's learn how to order food at the platform.
Excuse me, how much for a cup of tea?
10 rupees, sir.
Okay, 1 cup of tea and a packet of biscuits, please.
Here you go. That's 15 rupees in total.
Here's 20. Keep the change.
Thank you. Nice. That was a polite and natural way to order food. You can also say, can I have 1 cup of tea, please? How much does this cost? Do you have bottled water?
Sophia, what if the vendor doesn't understand English?
Good question. You can use simple words and gestures. Say slowly, smile, and use your hands. It helps a lot.
This tea tastes like education.
Haha, then you're learning the teaching way.
Oh, that's a terrible pun.
I know, but that's what makes English fun.
Scene 6. Missing the train.
Sophia, I think our train's arriving now.
Yes. Platform number 3. Let's go quickly.
Wait, I thought we were on platform 3 already.
Jack, this is platform 2.
Oh no! Run, Sophia, run!
Breathing heavily. Did we miss it?
Yes, we did. But hey, we got a great English lesson instead.
Next time, I'll double check the platform number.
Good idea. Always confirm your train's platform. You can ask, which platform does the Howrah Express depart from? Has the train arrived yet? Is this the platform for the Delhi Express?
Sophia, maybe next class we should learn how to run in English.
Yes, that's run for your train in perfect grammar.
Part 4. Practice section. Audience practice time. Okay, everyone watching, now it's your turn to practice. I'll see a line and you repeat after me. Ready?
Ready, teacher?
Repeat after me. I'd like a ticket to Delhi, please. Which platform does the train leave from? Is the train on time? Excuse me, is the seat taken? Can I have a cup of tea, please? Thank you. Have a nice journey.
Wow, that feels like I'm really at a railway station.
Exactly. Practice these lines again and again until they come naturally.
Sophia, can we have one mini conversation for fun?
Sure, let's do it. Mini practice role play. As a traveler,
Excuse me, where is platform number 5?
it's on your left side, sir. The train will arrive in 10 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey.
That was easy.
Yes, and everyone watching, you can try this with your friends or classmates. Conclusion of the whole conversation. All right, everyone, that's all for today's lesson. Now you know how to speak English at the railway station, from buying a ticket to catching your train, and even missing it.
I hope next time I catch the train and speak perfect English.
You definitely will, Jack. And all our lovely viewers, keep practicing. In our next class, we'll learn how to speak English at the hotel.
That sounds exciting.
Until then, stay confident, keep learning, and remember,
If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to MS English Planet.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MS English Planet.